In this video tutorial, we are going to solve problems on subtraction of like fractions. If you look at these two fractions, this is 11 by 12 and this is 6 by 12. Since the denominators are the same, therefore these two are like fractions. It's very important to check whether the fractions that you are considering are like fractions or unlike fractions, because then only you can properly either compare them or perform any arithmetic operations on them. So talking about this one, since they are like fractions, so the first step to solve them will be that what will be the denominator of the final fraction that you will get. So since they are like fractions, your denominator is going to be same, this 12. Okay. The next step is that you write the denominator, this one 12, and then subtract the numerators. So this is 11 minus 6, and third step will be the answer. So if you subtract 11 minus 6, you will get 5 and divided by 12. So this is the answer. This is 1 by 1 minus 0. So a quick way, a quick way would be to look at as 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 means what? 1. 1 divided by 1 means 1. So 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 means what? 1. Another way would be like you can write it as 1 by 1 minus 0 by 1. How? Remember, any number A, any arbitrary number A can be any arbitrary number. It can be written as A divided by 1. If you divide any number with 1, you'll get back that number only. Okay, so 0 by 1. Now, the first step will be to write the denominator. So the denominator, I'm writing it like as, okay, like this. This is our denominator. So denominator will be the short way to write. For me, denominator would be what? 1. Second step is you write the denominator and then subtract 1 minus 0, the numerators. Third step will be 1 by 1, and this will be what? Answer. Third one, 1 minus 2 by 3. Now, it's neither looking like a like fractions or unlike fractions, but it's actually like fractions. You can write it as like fractions. How? This is 1. If I write 1 as 3 divided by 3, if you divide 3 by 3, you'll get this 1. So I can write it as 3 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so this is now looking like these two are now like fractions. So first step will be what? To write the denominator, and the denominator will be what? 3. The second step is what? To subtract the numerators. So this is I think I should have avoided this example, because in this case, I'm sorry, it's okay, it's fine, completely fine. This you will be here, it will be denominator, and if you subtract 3 minus 2, this 1 by 3. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, actually I got confused. I was thinking like it's going to be 2 minus 3. I was thinking like it's going to be 2 minus 3, and I haven't told you how to subtract a bigger number, larger number, or bigger number from a small number. So that's why I got confused, but it's not the case. It's actually a bigger number minus small number. So 3 minus 2, it's 1 by 3, that's your answer. The fourth one is 7 by 7 and minus 5 by 7, very simple. The first step is what? You write the denominator is 7. The second step is what? You simply subtract the numerator. So 7 minus 5 is what? 2 divided by 7. This is your answer. Okay,